Hello and welcome. This is Bindu here with Flavorful Journey, encouraging you to step outside your comfort zone and join us for the journey. So today we are going to show you how to make garam masala. I had a few inquiries about, I have been using this garam masala quite a bit in some of my recipes, and people have been asking me how to make garam masala at home. So that's what we are going to tackle today. So let's take a look at the ingredients, how to make a good garam masala at home. So this is what I use for a month worth of garam masala. So you can either reduce it in half if you don't use it that much, or if you can increase the amount depending on your need at your household. So I used a half a cup measure for the fennel here, quarter cup of cardamom, quarter cup of cloves, then I have about quarter cup of black pepper, 6 bay leaves, and then I have 4 cinnamon sticks and 5 to 6 Javithri here. This is the red covering on top of the nutmeg. So these are the items that I'm going to use for my garam masala, and this I'm going to do a dry roast in a pan. So I have a pan on the stove, and I am going to take all my masalas here, and I'm going to add that to my pan. There's no oil. I'm going to dry roast these. And I still have my cinnamon sticks, which I'm going to break them down into this. That's my cinnamon. I have my bay leaves. Okay, there we go. It might take up to 3 to 4 minutes, depending on the heat, if it's on high heat, but I have it on a medium heat here. Shouldn't be burned. It should start to kind of release a little bit of aroma. You should be able to, because it's going to release the oils from these spices, it's going to be more fragrant in about a minute or 2. And then once you see these fennels starting to brown a little bit on the bottom, then it's time to be taken off the stove. So I'll show you that when we reach that point. Okay, so our spices have been on the heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you can kind of see the fennel is turning brown. It's time to turn off the heat and let it cool. And then I am going to transfer that into the smaller jar of a mixer grinder where it's going to be powdered. So I'm going to turn off the stove here and let it cool down. So the garam masala is ready. Just in case if you do not have a dry grinder at home, you can use a coffee grinder if you have one, and that will work perfectly fine as well. And it came out perfect, and you can actually, if you don't use it, this actually stays in your cabinet for about a month. If you're going to not use this in about a month, then you can leave it in your fridge, and it will definitely stay from like a month to 3 months with no problem. Right now, my kitchen smells so amazing from all the spices and the oils that's been released while I have been grinding this garam masala. I hope you enjoyed my video and hope you like this. And if you like the video, please feel free to share, subscribe. And until I see you next time on this flavorful journey, take care and bye.